Happy holidays, everyone! If you're like me, then you know that no one does the holidays better than Disney. And I know last month I was super excited about the Halloween box, but I'm telling you, the Walt Life outdid themselves for Christmas. I can't even explain to you how amazing this box is. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to the Walt Life box, please do, at least for the holidays. Try it this one time for Christmas to get a really awesome holiday box, or whatever holiday you're celebrating this Christmas, whether it be Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever holiday you celebrate during December. I think it's just a really awesome gift, not only to share with kids and loved ones, but even something to give to yourself, because you've been running around decorating your tree in a Disney theme, of course, and just giving extra love to everyone else. You should give some love to yourself this year. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all these amazing things I got this month in my box, and I'm just overly excited, as you can tell, but this is one of the best boxes, and after I will show you what I do with the decor that I got in my box, and I am so excited to share this with you, so stay tuned. This is my first pair of holiday ears. It's mini reindeer ears. How perfect are these sequins ears for the holidays? I wasn't sure what to expect in this black box. I thought it was jewelry, but to my surprise, it was an amazing ornament. I have a special story to go with this ornament later in the video. Stay tuned. How perfect is this Buzz Lightyear tabletop? It is the perfect festive green to brighten up any tablescape. Who doesn't love a good scrunchie moment? I got 3 pairs from Winnie the Pooh. Fantastic. Is this a little doggy sweater? Oh no, it's actually a bottle sweater. How fun! I can't believe I got my first sketchbook ornament. It is absolutely perfect. Thank you, Chip. How amazing was my Walt Life box for a holiday? Aren't you just so jealous? You have to go out and subscribe and get your own box, even if it's just for the holidays, just to see what they send you. I've seen on Instagram all the other boxes that everyone's receiving, and some are similar to mine, some are different, and they custom it to the quiz that you fill out, so they pay attention to absolutely everything that you love and adore, and they keep that in mind when building your box. So I just wanted to show you a few things. This is my first holiday mini ears. I don't have one for the holidays. I've never been to Disney for the holidays, but these are absolutely adorable. And one thing I really love about these ears is that they're not glitter, they're sequins, so there's no fallout, even though, yes, I am a glitter girl. You can see them on my eyelids, but how cute are the little reindeer ears on top of the red bow? I mean, Minnie has totally outdone herself, that little fashionista. One of my favorite parts of this box that I got this holiday is the Princess and the Frog ornament. It's a scene that's from the movie, and I was really surprised and really happy when I got it, because at the start of COVID in April, we were supposed to go to Disney, and a few things happened. I mean, I think everyone kind of got anxiety or a little depressed, and I suffer from both, so they came back tenfold, and then I had to have emergency surgery. So when I came back home to finally recover and recuperate, Princess and the Frog was something that was calming me down and just, really taking my mind off of everything that was going on. So when I saw this ornament, it was like a really nice sentimental piece that I got from the Walt Life box, and they didn't know. I didn't even put that this was in one of my favorite movies from not from 2020, but it's sentimental for me for this year. And the fact that I got it in my box this year, it kind of really solidifies and means a lot to me for 2020. Even though we don't want to remember a lot of that happened this year, it made us a lot stronger, and this is definitely a reminder of what gave me strength, what distracted me, what made me feel better. So it was really sweet that I got this ornament, and I will never forget it. And how gorgeous is this? This is like a piece of art. So on both sides, one side is matte, the other side is glass, and it's just absolutely stunning. It reminds me of a mosaic or a piece of glass work that you would see in a church. So this is absolutely stunning. I wish you could see it in person. This is another reason to get the Walt Life box. You're surprised by the sweet, sentimental things that just happen to be in your box, or that you request, and it truly makes a big difference. Hi. So one of the ornaments that I received in my box was the Princess and the Frog. And I just want to talk a little bit about 2020 and what Princess and the Frog meant to me. And I was really surprised that I got it in my box, because I didn't mention this to the Walt Life. It just happened to be in my box. So with this ornament, how gorgeous is this, first of all? I went through a lot, as did everyone in 2020, and I suffer from anxiety and depression, and it came back tenfold during COVID when we were on lockdown and quarantine. And I also had to have emergency surgery. So everything just kind of felt really overwhelming, and I would watch Princess and the Frog every night before bed to kind of like get my mind off of things and put me into a different setting and really just make me feel good. And it was really sweet and very sentimental to me that I got this in my Walt Life box for a holiday for 2020, that this represents a lot more than just a movie. It represents so much that I went through and so much that we overcame. So I hope that this is also sentimental for you. Just try it out, because you never know what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a piece that moves you, that brings you joy, and it's all part of that Disney magic. So I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put the Princess and the Frog ornament. My tree is the Enchanted Forest, so it's Beauty and the Beast. It's the red roses and the little lamp that she took out when she was running from the castle when she was upset. And I incorporated these elements into my tree. But this ornament obviously means so much to me that I definitely want to give it a special place. So let's see where would be best. I think right next to maybe one of my lanterns. Right here would be a really good choice. Let's make sure it's secure and perfect. Another really awesome thing I got in my box that you saw just now are these Winnie the Pooh scrunchies. How cute are they? My sister and I love Winnie the Pooh, and we love scrunchies, so this is awesome. We're always losing them, so it's a good thing this is a 3-pack. And my best friend is a big Winnie the Pooh fan. I'm a huge Donald Duck fan, so I will always think of her when I wear these. She's my Winnie the Pooh and I'm her piglet. So this is really cute that we got this, and of course her favorite color is red. So it's really cute and sweet and sentimental, and I will always think of my best friend when I wear these. So the Walt Life put me in extra trouble with this one. This is a storybook ornament, and I've been staying away from the sketchbook ornaments because I know once I start, I won't stop. So I haven't been collecting them, and they're really cute. There's some really rare ones. I got Chip, and I have about 3 things of Chip because Beauty and the Beast is one of my favorite movies. Obviously I did the Enchanted Forest with the roses for Beauty and the Beast, so it's kind of perfect that I got Chip to actually add on to here. But oh God, you created a monster, Walt Life. What did you do? So now that I started, I have to continue. Now that I got Chip safely out of packaging, we are going to place him on the tree somewhere where he's nice and secure, because the top of him is glass. I believe it's hand-blown glass. So let's place him right over here where he can sit in the snow. Let's secure him a little bit better. Hey, there we go. Little Chip fits in perfectly. My favorite Pixar character is Buzz Lightyear, and we were going to Disney in April before everything happened. Then the world kind of shut down to quarantine because of COVID. I was gonna go to Hollywood Studios dressed as Buzz, so I bought these really cool Buzz Lightyear sneakers and a backpack, and I kind of made my outfit myself to look like Buzz, but a girly version. And I got this cool Buzz Lightyear little Christmas like tabletop, so I thought that was really cool. I didn't tell Walt Life that I also liked Buzz Lightyear, so I got really lucky with this box. I love everything I got, so I'm actually going to add this onto my tabletop, put a few ornaments, and I'll probably post a story on my Instagram with how that looks. I have some matching little green ornaments that I can add onto this and make a little cute setup with it. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, just check out my Instagram at GeraldineS_. So at first I thought this was a cute little doggy sweater when I got it, but it's actually for a wine bottle. It's a cute little fun Christmas decor for your wine bottle, and we have to try this out. So I'm gonna go grab one of my favorite things, and if you don't drink wine because you're too young, I'm sure this can fit on a Nesquik bottle, chocolate milk. I mean, how cute and festive is my Moscato bottle now? I think he is the most well-dressed person at the table, and I think he wins the ugly sweater contest, even though this is really cute for an ugly sweater. I absolutely love this. This was really cute. I thought it was a little doggy sweater, but I don't have any pets, unfortunately, not yet. But this was really awesome. So my Moscato bottle will be nice and toasty and very happy at dinner. Thank you so much for watching this holiday unboxing. This is my favorite box so far. Walt Life, you outdid yourself. I absolutely loved every single item that I got. Christmas is my second favorite holiday. Of course, Halloween is my first, but this is my favorite box for this year. I know we have one more to go. I don't know if the next one's also going to be holiday. I'm curious to see if it's new products for 2021 or if it's a continuation of more holiday products. But anyway, if we don't see each other before December 25th, or whatever holiday you celebrate, enjoy, be happy, be merry, and have a magical Christmas. So grab your hot chocolate, let's cheers. I'm cheersing with Mr. Stitch, aka 626, and enjoy your holidays, everyone. Be safe.